In this video, we will see how to download PeachTree accounting software on your laptop. So you can find this document with the link of this video. You can just simply download it and open it. After the opening of the document, you will find this link, which you can just simply copy and paste in the browser, or you can just hold Control and press click to open this link. Once you open this link, you will find this as a zip file, and you can simply find a download button on the right hand side, which you can just click and continue with the email ID that you have created or you already have configured on Gmail. Now it will show you other prompt that it contains virus, but you can just click on download anyway. After the downloading is complete, you can find this in download section. If you cannot find, you can just sort it by date modified and you will find this software. Now this is a zip file, right? So you need to extract it with WinRAR. If you already know that what WinRAR is, then you can you will find this books. Otherwise you can just search on Google and download WinRAR first according to the Windows version that you have. If you want to check the Windows version, then just right click on this PC and you will find this that this is 64-bit operating system or 32-bit. So you will download this and extract the folder and then go in the folder. Now I have a couple of files including the crack version. Now just remember that whenever you want to install PeachTree or you want to extract this folder, just turn off Windows Defender first, otherwise it will delete the crack file and it will detect it as a virus. So in order to deactivate the firewall protection, I'll search firewall and go to virus and threat protection and then go to manage settings and uncheck this option, real-time protection. So this is the first protection that we will close. After that, go to control panel again and just go in system and security. Now all of these options are for Windows 10. So I'll go to Windows Defender and turn off Windows Defender. Now just put turn off with both and click OK. Now we are good to go. I'll just view as large icons. Now to install, I'll just click on this one and right click and run as administrator. Now first it will extract the ptemp file in the C folder. After that it will start the real installation. So I'll click on install. Now it will show you some of the prompt that PeachTree may run slow. If you want to default protocol, run faster. I'll just click yes and next and I agree and next. Now it will show you this option that you need to turn off firewall and antivirus. I've already turned it off. Click OK. Now it will start the installation and it is searching for the previous installations as well. So after that it will once it will ask the serial number, I'll go to keygen and generate it and copy it from the serial number and paste it right here. Control V, next. And will this be the only computer running PeachTree? Yes, next. And it will install it in C drive, next. And it will download the sample company data as well. So it's showing the required and available space. It is sufficient, next. And just uncheck this option. I don't want the quick launch window and I want the shortcut on the desktop. Click install. Now it started the installation. It will take some time. Just sit back and relax. I just skipped this portion. So the installation is done. Now I will start the PeachTree accounting software. Now it's just showing some of the Windows settings. Click yes, no problem with that. Now I came on the main screen. This is the PeachTree main screen. In the next video, we will start a new company from the scratch, that is a trading company assignment. So the assignment name is Zan Traders. So I'll show you all the procedures step by step, and similarly you can find the video and the assignment download link with the next video. So let's move to the next video now.